How to pet a cockatiel bird. A complete guide. Cockatiels are friendly, affectionate, and intelligent birds that love human interaction. However, they need proper handling, training, and care to form a strong bond with their owners. Whether you're a new cockatiel owner or looking to improve your petting skills, this guide will help you understand how to properly pet and bond with your cockatiel. 1. Understanding cockatiel behavior. Before petting your cockatiel, it's important to understand its body language and mood. Signs your cockatiel wants to be petted. A tilts head towards your hand. A fluffs up feathers, especially around the neck and head. A closes eyes slightly, showing relaxation. A steps onto your finger easily. A chirps softly or whistles happily. Signs your cockatiel does not want to be petted. A moves away from your hand. A hisses or makes an alarm call. A tries to bite or nips at your finger. A flattens feathers close to the body, a sign of stress. A raises crest fully, indicating alertness or annoyance. A. If your cockatiel shows signs of discomfort or stress, give it some space and try again later. 2. How to properly pet a cockatiel. Step 1. Gain your cockatiel's trust. Spend time talking softly to your cockatiel daily. Offer treats, like millet or small fruit pieces, to encourage bonding. Let the cockatiel come to you instead of forcing interaction. Step 2. Start with gentle touches. Approach slowly, move your hand gently towards your cockatiel. Use one finger. Start by gently touching its head or neck. Avoid the back and tail. Cockatiels don't like being touched on their back, wings, or tail. Step 3. Pet in the right direction. Pet the feathers in the direction they grow, from the beak toward the back of the head. Lightly scratch the crest and neck. Cockatiels love head rubs. If your bird leans into your hand or fluffs up, it means they enjoy it. 3. Training your cockatiel to enjoy petting. If your cockatiel is not used to petting, be patient and use positive reinforcement. Tips to train your cockatiel for petting. Start with short petting sessions, a few seconds. Reward with a treat or praise after petting. Be consistent and patient. Trust takes time. Handle them only when they're calm and relaxed. Let them initiate petting by lowering their head. 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not force petting if your cockatiel moves away. Do not pet under the wings or lower back. This can trigger mating instincts. Do not grab your cockatiel suddenly. Always move slowly. Do not pet for too long. Short, enjoyable sessions are best. 5. Other ways to bond with your cockatiel. Talk to them daily. They love to mimic sounds. Let them sit on your shoulder or hand for extra bonding. Play with toys together. Cockatiels love interactive play. Train them simple tricks like step up and whistling.